Hi guys, welcome to Inside Club. In this video, we are discussing the question answers of Sindhi paper. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. For this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. And if you have other queries, you can also contact us. We are here for help you 24/7. Now we are discussing the paper which is from the Sindhi, and that you can see the 1, 2 and 3 question you need to write in the 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 you need to write in 150, and question number 5 also. Question number 6 you need to write into 500 words. If you want these answers, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, and we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.